I'm Jod with A Plus Garage Doors. Did you call about a garage door service?
Oh yeah, come on in, John. How's it looking, Jake?
Pretty good. Should be wrapped up here pretty soon. But it's actually Jod. What do you keep in those pockets anyway?
No, nothing.
All right, so we got both of your springs replaced and calibrated, and your door should be running perfectly. All I need for you is to sign right here.
That's an amazing deal. Great work, Kevin.
About those pockets.
Hey, thanks again. Great work, Brandon.
It's actually... You know what? Never mind.
Hey, Jod, how was your day today?
I mean, it was good. I went out to a job and the guy just kept forgetting my name. It was really weird. I think he called me Brandon.
How did that make you feel?
Well, like, kind of made me sad, like, unimportant. I know I'm just a technician, but that doesn't mean I don't have feelings.
In today's episode of The Text, we learned about the importance of remembering people's names. When you remember someone's name, they feel special and validated. I had a hard time in this episode remembering the name Jod because it's not a common name that I hear every day. One way to remember someone's name when it's not a common name is to associate it with something, like this rod, which rhymes with Jod. So next time I picture Jod, I'll look at this rod and I can remember his name. Thanks for joining us on this episode of The Text. I hope you learned something too.